I love finding pieces that can be used all over the house, and this is definitely one of them. This is Elisa with WTI, and this acacia wood storage tray is one of those items that instantly makes any space look more organized. This is by ALELION, and even though it's marked for the bathroom, I've actually used it in several places around my house. I use it in the TV room for the remotes, and not only is it super functional, but it looks beautiful as you can see. It can also be used in the bathroom, placing it on top of the toilet with extra toilet paper and soap. Or even use it on your bedroom dresser to hold perfumes, jewelry, or everyday essentials. The wood has a beautiful natural finish that matches almost any decor style, whether your home is modern, farmhouse, boho, or minimalist. It's sturdy, lightweight, and the built-in handles make it easy to move wherever you need it. I also like that it helps keep everything contained, so instead of having little items scattered around, your space instantly looks cleaner and more put together. Sometimes it's just the little details that make your home feel more organized, and this is one of those pieces, but that's just my point of view.